Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I bring you the Quickcell QVibe 200 wireless stereo headphones. I've always wanted Beats, but never been able to afford them, so these are gonna have to do for now. Let's take a look at them. So these are on sale at Amazon and most other retailers for actually $29-30, which I think is fairly reasonable. So the reason why these kind of caught my eye is because not only are they Bluetooth headphones, which is not out of the ordinary nowadays. You know, everybody and everything is Bluetooth enabled, but because of the fact that you can plug them in as well with an aux cord whenever they're dead or whenever you just don't want to have the latency of a Bluetooth connection, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and see what we got for 29 bucks. Now, bear in mind, I have no experience in headphones. Honestly, the last time I used a pair of headphones this big was in the computer lab back in like 6th and 7th grade. So that's gonna be my my measuring stick for these. And let's go ahead and put the packaging aside. It looks like we got a very nice Quickcell carrying pouch. Nice. To transport our headphones in. We're gonna put them aside for right now. Let's see what kind of accessories we get with this. If I can manage to get this little bag open. So in the bag, we got an auxiliary cord, 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter. And we also get a USB-A to micro USB cable. I really wish that these were USB-C, but as you can see that out of the 4 previous headphones or wireless earbuds that we saw, they're all micro USB. Nobody seems to be in the 21st century. Everybody is using micro USB like we're some sort of heathens. Anyway, we also got a quick start guide to get ourselves quickly familiarized with the headphones, and I am going to also guess that they are pretty much dead. Let's see. I doubt they come charged at all. So the headphones themselves, they're matte green, like an army green. I like that. They are matte of plastic. Oh, they're matte of plastic, but they have like a stainless steel band on the inside, and they feel okay. They don't feel as cheap as I thought they were gonna feel, at least not for 29 bucks. I mean, 30 bucks. Here we got the cushion for your ear. It looks like obviously this is gonna need to be replaced. These do need to be replaced every so often. I'm gonna try to see what, there's some sort of play and flex here. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Yeah, see. Again, you can switch them out. You can put them in closer. There's a Quickcell logo all the way at the top, which I'm a fan of. Down here, I'm gonna guess that that is an LED. That is a pinhole microphone. That is our aux jack. That is our micro USB charging port. And this is our on-off switch, as well as we get volume up, volume down, which double as forward, skip, and rewind, and also play pause button. Again, one more time, I really doubt. Okay. So they're not completely dead. So let's go ahead and pair them to our iPhone. Come on. There we go, QVibe. They come up as QVibe 200s. And they're paired. And let's go. Those are the two. Dr. Dre's exclusive. So, I mean, I doubt that it matters if you have the right or left side on, but I'm gonna guess they go like this. So let's see what they look like once they're on your ears. Nice Quickcell branding at the top. Let's go ahead and pop these babies on. Let's go ahead and adjust our adjustable headband. There we go. Nice and snug. So then this is a it's a Quickcell QVibe 200s. And then this is the side profile on them. This is what you would look like with day-to-day use as you're using them, browsing on your phone, talking to people. Here is the other side profile in case you're interested. They don't look half bad, and actually they feel light enough to where I don't think I would notice them after a while, but again, I'm yet to test them throughout a very long time. But it's safe to say that these aren't going anywhere either. Yeah, pretty nice look fit. I'm a fan. They're weak. That's so weak. I mean, I can't hear myself talk at all, actually. So they have good noise isolation, but I don't know, guys. It's gonna make me a grill. So, it's alright. They have bass to them, but I was definitely expecting. There's bass to them. It's not like there's no bass, but the way it was advertised in the box, 40mm drivers, what is it? Hold on, here. Maximum comfort headphones, 18 hours plus listening. What is it? Where's it at? Robust sound, professionally tuned to offer bass-heavy speakers complete with noise-canceling technology. I mean, I guess I'm just a spoiled brat, and like, I was expecting very bass-heavy, like boom, boom, boom. They're okay. Let's go and say something else. Here. The problem is that they're loud when, like, if you're probably sitting next to me, you can probably hear these. So they bleed an awful lot. And because they bleed an awful lot, you're probably gonna think that they're loud. But unfortunately, they just aren't. I mean, and I doubt it's because they're low on battery or anything, because if that were the case when I first pulled them out, they would have said a low battery or something like that, but they just, I'm unimpressed. I mean, they're not bad headphones, just, I mean, they're they're just that. I mean, I guess if you have to have some chores or, you know, maybe working out, I guess I can see wearing these. No, scratch that. I know what these are for. These are probably great for watching movies and your shows on your own, actually. That's exactly what these are for. There we go. I was coming at this the wrong way. These are not booming to be outside, you know, these are not, although, I'm not saying not to use them outside, but I'm saying these are not gonna combat like outside noise. They do have good passive noise isolation, but if you're trying to feel that bass, if you're trying to feel that oomph, definitely these are not it. These are definitely not it. So I guess the quest continues for cheap wireless Bluetooth headphones that have good sound on a budget. I almost wonder if when we plug them in through the aux cord, if that's gonna push them a lot harder than what they're currently being pushed at. And their open back design, again, makes them great for probably watching movies and listening to shows as they sound big. They're immersive. It kind of makes you feel like you're there. And again, I can't hear myself talk. Like it fully does block out outside. Like I can't, like I'm miming. That's literally what it looks like or sounds like. Maybe with some other song that's a little bit more bass heavy, they'll sound better. But yeah, these are good. I was just being spoiled brat. Forget everything I said earlier. They're good. Yeah, they're good. I'm just being a brat. Again, they're not booming. You do feel the bass. It's okay. It's acceptable, especially for $29. So these claim 18 hours of operating time, but again, huge asterisk, 18 hours at 15% volume. So if you try to listen to it at less than that, you're probably gonna let way less time than that. But that's okay. I mean, most of us aren't gonna be out 18 hours away from our house, you know? So I think that's pretty good. Again, Bluetooth 5.0, so that's pretty good. And the charging time is anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. And the total weight of the headphones is at 219 grams, but they don't feel that heavy. They actually feel good. This at the top is rubberized, which is nice. They feel great. They're not amazing loud, but they're very comfortable. The sound quality is actually good. They're fairly flat, actually. Nothing is turned up. Nothing really comes through very loud. They're fairly flat, so they're probably pretty good for watching movies. And again, they sound big, as in they're immersive. It makes you sound like you're in there. Again, probably due to that open back design, even though they're closed. But that's probably what that's for, to let, you know, air in. If there are other items you'd like for me to cover, or other topics you'd like for me to talk about, go leave it down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.